Welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about cars, performance, and luxury machines like this one, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an exciting review. The moment the 2025 Audi A5L comes into view, it gives off a strong sense of confidence and refinement. Audi hasn't tried to shout with this design. Instead, it speaks through sharp proportions, a wider stance, and clean flowing lines that look premium from every angle. The front is instantly recognizable with its bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and a low, aggressive nose that hints at performance even before the car starts moving. As the car rolls down the road, you can really appreciate how well balanced it looks. The longer wheelbase doesn't just improve presence, it adds stability and elegance. From the side, the coupe-inspired roofline blends smoothly into the rear, giving the A5L a sporty yet executive character. The rear design is clean and modern, with slim LED taillights and subtle detailing that keeps things classy rather than flashy. Step inside, and the first impression is all about precision and comfort. The cabin feels solid, quiet, and thoughtfully designed. Audi's signature interior quality is on full display, with soft-touch materials, brushed metal accents, and finely stitched leather surfaces. Everything you touch feels intentional. The extended length of the A5L really pays off here, especially for rear passengers, who now enjoy noticeably more legroom, making this car just as comfortable to be driven in as it is to drive. Right in front of the driver is Audi's digital cockpit, crisp, colorful, and highly customizable. Whether you want a clean navigation view, performance data, or classic gauges, it adapts instantly. The central infotainment screen is sharp and responsive, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making daily use simple and familiar. Even if you're not a tech-savvy person, the system feels easy to understand within minutes. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Audi A5L strikes a satisfying balance. Under the hood, the turbocharged engine delivers smooth, confident power that feels strong without being overwhelming. Acceleration is quick and controlled, perfect for city driving as well as highway cruising. The transmission shifts seamlessly, keeping the drive relaxed in traffic and responsive when you want to push a little harder. On the road, the A5L feels planted and composed. The suspension does an excellent job of absorbing rough surfaces while still maintaining a sporty edge. Steering is precise and predictable, giving the driver confidence through corners. Whether you're navigating tight city streets, flowing coastal roads, or long expressways, the car feels stable, quiet, and reassuring. One area where Audi really shines is ride comfort and noise control. Road noise and wind sound are kept impressively low, even at higher speeds. This creates a calm, premium driving experience that makes long journeys feel effortless. The seats offer excellent support, and small details like ambient lighting add a subtle sense of luxury, especially during evening drives. Safety and driver assistance features are seamlessly built into the experience. Adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, collision warning systems, and parking aids work quietly in the background, stepping in only when needed. They don't distract the driver, but instead add an extra layer of confidence, especially in heavy traffic or tight parking situations. Another strong point of the Audi A5L is practicality. Despite its sporty appearance, it's a very usable everyday car. The trunk offers generous space for luggage, groceries, or weekend trips, and the rear seats can be folded down when extra room is needed. Storage spaces inside the cabin are well placed and thoughtfully sized. What truly sets the 2025 Audi A5L apart is how well it blends different personalities into one car. It looks sporty but feels luxurious. It offers advanced technology without being complicated. It delivers performance while staying comfortable and efficient. It's the kind of car that fits equally well outside a modern office building, on a scenic highway, or cruising through city traffic. In the end, the 2025 Audi A5L isn't just about numbers or features, it's about balance. It's designed for people who want style, comfort, technology, and performance in one refined package. Whether you're upgrading from a standard sedan or stepping into the luxury segment for the first time, the A5L feels like a smart, confident choice that delivers on every level. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video.